For a lot of people, applying to jobs can be a painful experience. Where do you even start? Where do you even find the jobs? How do you not spend hours upon hours looking at jobs that you will never apply to? We're going to demystify that process in this lesson. And at the end of it, you'll know exactly where to look to apply for entry-level construction jobs. There are three primary places you'll find entry-level construction jobs. The first is going to be on LinkedIn, Indeed, or any other similar site. The second are going to be on industry job boards. These are hosted by companies like ENR, CIC, or AACE. The last is going to be directly on companies' websites. Each company has a career page where they will post these entry-level construction jobs. Now, there are other opportunities out there as well. There are job fairs and networking events, all great opportunities. The ones we're going to dive in further today are just the most popular. For LinkedIn and other job sites, the keywords you use to search for your job really matter. They'll take your searching and hone it in on specific jobs that you'll be able to apply to. I recommend using keyword searches such as entry-level construction scheduler, entry-level construction planner, entry-level Primavera P6. On LinkedIn, they have a filter for experience. You'll want to remember to check that box as entry-level. The other thing you want to consider is what geographies you want to work in. Is it all the United States? Is it Europe? Is it anywhere? Each location will have different job listings, and you want to make sure that you're searching in all areas that you can potentially go work. The last thing is a pro tip where I would highly recommend, once you have this search set up, to set up job alerts. That way, whenever postings that come available that meet your criteria, they'll be emailed directly into your inbox and you can search even less. Job boards are another great place to find open positions. Due to these organizations' affiliations, they have access to some of these opportunities in which they post. They're fairly straightforward and easy to operate. One thing I would recommend is to set up a reoccurring Google Calendar event with the website's links in them. And so every week you'll get a reminder to open up these websites and check for open jobs and positions. Finally, you can go directly to the source. Every company is going to have a career page in which they list out all of the jobs they've posted. With a quick search, you can easily find their entry-level construction jobs. To find those companies, all you need to do is use Google. You can search for top 50 GCs in America, or who builds the most data centers in the world. And by using these Google searches, you can find the companies that you're interested in to apply for. Similar to the job boards, I'd set up a reoccurring calendar invite that reminds you to go check these companies for jobs that are posted. I'd also highly recommend reaching out to the companies and sending in your cover letter and your resume, even if they don't have jobs posted. That way, when they do, recruiters will have your name right on top. It's as easy as that. Now, let's get started and go find some jobs.